Hi, I'm Hasan-Mohameth. In this episode, we're diving into the foundation of the web, that is the HTML tags. What a tags? A tag something written between less than and greatest than. It's a basic structure look like this. P open tags and close tag. It's a slash. Oh, it's a slash. And we have a paragraph. Each tag usually has two parts, a open tags and close tag. What's different between them? That's it. A slash. We have a slash in the close tag. Open tags and close tag. Open, close. That's different. Close, open. So, next part. Parent tags. They like a pair of shoes. They always come together and content goes right between them. For example, P and we should close that, and that's close. And we have a text between tags. For example, hello world. That's a paragraph and tag paragraph. So some common pair tags include, we show you in the VS Code. Oh, first we should make a document. We can create a document in two ways. First, we choose for example, we choose a file and press that new file and make a name, for example name, and HTML, because we need a HTML document, and we have a file. So some common pair tags include div, open tags, and div close tag. We close it by a slash. You can see that, a slash, and h1 and for example p, we use the p in the instance. Right. Oh, that's cute. Open, close. open and close. That's it, the close. We use the slash for close. So, next part. Self-closing tag. They are the lack of the shut deal. They show up and do their job and leave. No goodbye. They don't have a closing tag. You hear that? They no have closing tag. It's interesting. Example: image. It's a self-closing tag and no have close tag. That's mean it's a single. That's it. And for example, BR and HR, and for example, link. They are a single tags. They are like on shut deal. They show up, do their job, and leave. No goodbye. They don't have a closing tag. They don't have closing tag. Just open. Now, let's look at the real HTML skeleton. For first. Now for first. Just a minute. Type HTML under than open HTML and close HTML, and between HTML we have a two type. Oh no, three type. We have a three type. First, head, open head, and close it. Oh, head. And between head we have a title. Title, open title and close title. And we have a between HTML and under the close head we have a body tag. It's very important. Body. So all right, they are HTML, close HTML, open head, close head, and open title and close title. For last, open body and close body. Now it's not have close tag. It's have a parent tag. You can see that they have a parent tags and they have a period tags, and HTML have a period tags. So, and I'll explain each part for you. So, tag type HTML. It's the soul of the page. It's a title. It's a tell to browsers, hey, this is a HTML5 document, and HTML, the body of everything. Its content is built inside this. You can see that. It's have every tags between self and head. It's the brain of the website. Everything the user doesn't see, but the site needs goes there, like font, settings, links, and so on. Title, it's so easy. This is a what appear at the top of your browser stack. If you write my website, that's what will show up there. We can do this. I explain you that's action in the future. So title, for example, my website, and right click and click the open with live server. It's a live server, it's extensions you should add to your VS Code live server. That's it. You should install that. It's very important, and we have many business for that. You can see that. My website, or we can choose that. It's take it every name. So what's tag type? Tag type HTML. Tag type HTML, it's a soul. HTML, it's a full body. It's a soul. HTML is a full body, and head, it's brain, and body, it's a visible and active part. Visible and it's active. It's just beginning. From here on out, we're gonna start building for real and keep it real.